Hello, my name is David, and I started a company called the Event Collective ApS. I've been working full-time on that for 2 years, and what I did that I saw a market need. I was working with events and booking speakers out, and I thought this could be done much better and to a cheaper price. So I went out and founded this company to do that. Now we're one of the biggest companies in Denmark for speakers and workshops. It's a lot like learning by doing. You have run problems and then you just need to face it. There was the GDPR problem. Okay, it's going to be launched here in like 2 months. Let's figure something out about that. So there's like, you can't really get the skills unless you just start building them. We had one customer who had bought an event for Wednesday sometimes, and the speaker said that it was booked for Thursday. So he was standing on that Wednesday and had 30 people there and was waiting for that speaker to come. And it was all the way over in Jutland. And that was one of the hardest things to do, to actually say, okay, we're sorry, we don't know what happened here. There was an agreement from both sides, but that could have been more clear, I don't know. But it all falls back to us. So we had to figure out what to do there. That was one of the hardest things I've done. The future is getting our platform not only in Denmark but launching in Germany, Norway, Sweden. That we could do, that we could like get the speakers in top. We are growing to the biggest platform because we are #1 on Google, and I think we can do that in every other country as well.